try to turn this bedroom into this bedroom. How the heck are we going to do this? I have literally no idea. But, I have come up with some pretty cool things before, so, hopefully I can come up with something.
Maybe, hopefully, question mark, please God. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Not My House. This is my best friend Janelle's house. Hi, Janelle.
Hi, guys.
We were sorority sisters in college and even lived together for a while, so yeah, we go way back.
So she just moved into her very own place. This is your first time living fully alone, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my God, so this is so exciting. This is like her first little pad. So, of course, when you have a crazy friend like me, I really want to help decorate. So I drove all the way to the OC to help decorate the pad.
She said she wants to do kind of like a Scandinavian boho sort of Pinteresty vibe, so we're gonna see what we can come up with.
So we are going to give her bedroom a broke bitch Pinterest Tumblr DIY makeover. And we're gonna try and like do the whole thing today because George is in daycare and I'm just gonna see if we can finish it. Maybe, hopefully, question mark, please God. So without further ado, here we go. Let's see if we can DIY this place. Bada bing, bada boom. Plants. Okay, so obviously my favorite thing about new apartments is like they're empty. Like she has a couple of random things on the floor, but that's like basically it. So here is the bedroom. Bum ba da bum. The before. Ta-da! This is Janelle's room. Yes, it is literally completely empty. She has nothing. Obviously she has a bed, and then she has these like furniture thingies from her old place. So there's a little bit plus this TV. I don't really think we're gonna keep that there, but But it's got a really good base. You can see got nice lighting, nice windows. We got, again, a very clean aesthetic. So I think we can do wonders with this little place. So let's see what we can come up with. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so for some inspo, here's some of the stuff you had saved. What else you got?
And this is kind of another bedroom decor that we like.
Okay. Oh, we should get one of those. That's fun.
Yes.
Okay, so very like Pinteresty, very calm, soothing, relaxed work. So very like calm, collected, like the opposite of my personal minimalistic almost.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go to IKEA. Woo! Oh, did you hear my stomach growl? Here's my outfit of the day. I am wearing, I believe this is Justin Bieber tour merch. Got some sneakers because we're going shopping. But yeah, I love this sweatshirt. I like love oversized sweatshirts. And then that's pretty much that. Some green rings. Little green necklace, you know. Quite frankly, my hair looks insane, but that's just because I was too lazy to actually do it today. This cute little backpack that I just put on Instagram the other day. It is so cute. It's vintage. I got it on eBay from Japan. Oh my God, we stan. And that's what we look like. Yeah. God, I love doing my outfit of the day in weird bathrooms. Okay, so here we go.
So first things first, we decided to go to IKEA, but that ended up being a big fail because that had like an hour-and-a-half wait outside of it, so we left. So we thought instead we'd go to Home Depot to pick up some, drills and things to actually be able to put stuff into the walls. And then Target came in hella clutch, thank God. Target has a great home decor section, so we really hit it off in there.
Woo-hoo-hoo. They have such great stuff in Target for home decor. OMG. Ooh, cute. Cute living. Look at this blanket we found. Oh my God, amazing. Woo-hoo. This is gonna be so fun. I look crazy. Dun, 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 dun. Target, please sponsor me. We got a bunch of plants. I think we freaking nailed it. Oh, just your average Target haul.
We even popped into a little place called World Market after to get some extra goodies.
Do we have any cool pillars? There's so many of these baskets. I didn't even know this many of these baskets existed. So, here is everything that we bought. This looks actually crazy. Yeah. Moral of the story, do not go shopping with me because I will convince you to buy literally everything you look at.
Yeah. Influence.
I'm like the little devil on your shoulder that tells you to purchase whatever the heck it is, even if you don't need it. But here is basically everything that we bought. So you can see we got a lot of plants. We got a lot of more plants, some wall art, some I don't even know what you call this. We got some of that. We got some shelves, some more plants. I mean, like I said, we went to Home Depot, so we got some hooks and shenanigans. Mostly everything, though, we got at Target. And, of course, we had a couple of things pre-delivered off of Amazon because y'all know Amazon is my shit. So, yeah, based on those Tumblr-y images, we're gonna see what we can come up with. This is like the Hall of Mirrors. All right, is there another mirror to do the outro? Let's get to decorating. Boop, boop.
Okay, so here again, you can see a good shot of the before. Like I said, it is completely empty with the exception of the bed and little mini dressers. So what we're going to actually do first is something that really dresses up any room is we're going to fix the windows with a little bit of cheap curtain DIYs. So we got some nice curtains again at Target. You can see these are pretty linen-y ones with a little bit of decor on them. And of course, an apartment's best friend is command hooks because you don't have to actually damage the walls. So just hung some curtains right above the windows right there and created a nice little goldeny, beautiful, flowy aesthetic.
Woo! Gorgeous. Shadow puppets. Okay. So now that we got that, we're gonna go ahead and do this little corner, which I think will be fun to have a mirror and stuff set up there. So we have a wide selection of mirrors, but I think we're gonna go with this one.
So we just went ahead and put the mirror against the wall, got a nice little wicker basket right there, put a nice little fuzzy rug in it, a cool little, you know, modern art piece thing, and then set that up in the corner. Cute.
Yeah!
We also want to put a plant up in the corner here. So what we're going to do is obviously get, you know, a hanging plant. It's got these cool little hooks that you can just screw right into the ceiling and hang the plant right on there. Look at that.
Oh my God, he's cute! Whoa, work.
Oh, cute. Now we're going to want to do this adjacent corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of set this up like this little kind of inspo area here. So we got this cool little chair again from Target.
Throw me the pillow. I totally missed. Okay, good. Spatial awareness, very good.
Put that on top of another one of those little like faux sheepskinny rug things. And you can see we set that up super cute. Look at that. I love it.
We'll put a nice little plant there. Cute. Okay, another fun hack. If you want to hang some stuff on your wall, again, well, you can barely see them in the lighting, but put some command hooks on there, and that's a great way to hang fashion on the wall. Wow, yeehaw. That's a vibe. Da-da. Da. Cute. Oh my goodness, see? That's pretty cute. Nice. So you can see it's already kind of coming together, so we definitely want to do something in between here. So we got some floating wall shelves, and we're going to put those in the center there and decorate them.
Okay, so not gonna lie, hanging these is a bitch. I hate hanging infinity shelves, mostly because math isn't my strong suit and I don't like to measure things, but
Me with a drill, watch out, but
eventually we figured it out. Even added some gold hooks for like aesthetic and extra balance because, you know, my handiwork is a little shifty sometimes. Put some plants on there so they added a nice touch, again with the gold accents with the picture frame. Super, super cute. You can see all of that all set up. We kind of just put the shelves adjacent like that to create a little Pinteresty, you know, plant wall. So fun. Yes, I am filming this on top of her bed, so I'm just gonna hop off there real quick so I don't die. Of course, now we gotta do something above the bed because it is blank and boring and naked. So we got this little, again, I don't know what you call this, but we just went ahead and hammered that right into the wall with some nails. Super cute. Added a nice little touch of decor. Almost looks like a dream catcher or a sun. As for the bed, again, we got this fabulous little white quilty cover. Now, this blanket was a little pricey, but this is like the best thing I think that we found. So cool. Look at this. OMG. Yes. So now we're just going to kind of decorate this corner. We went ahead and we put, you know, one of the thousands of plants that we picked up in there in a nice little basket again. So cute.
oh, she's beautiful. Who is she?
Decorated this. We got, you know, a cute little aesthetic lamp, a nice little tray to put that in. We went ahead and hung this again. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but it's cute. Again, it kind of looks like a dream catcher. So it's got a nice little whimsical flair. We just went ahead and hung that on the wall there by the window. So cute. Got some boxes again for storage and also for, you know, aesthetics. Then we moved along to this. Okay, so again, like I said, TVs cramp the vibe of the aesthetic, in my opinion. So we went ahead and swapped that out for a mirror. So we went ahead and leaned the mirror against the wall there. Super cute. And then just went ahead and decorated the table. Again, Pinterest style. We got some cute little gold boxes. Again, you all know I love designer boxes. So we threw that on there because, you know, gotta add a touch of amber in here.
Oh my God, cute.
Add in a plant for some extra vibin'.
It's coming together.
We even got one of these little, I think they call these poofs as we got this, and added that on the floor in the center there. And then,
All right, kids, are you ready to see what we did? Dun, 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 drum roll, please. Ba-na-na-na-na. All my lipstick is off.
one more shot at the before. Da-na-na-na-na. You can see this is the blank canvas room. And bum, 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 bum. Ta-da! Here is the after. You can see it. Oh my God, it came out so beautiful. I am shook. The whole vibe is just so relaxed, so serene. I feel like I'm in like a little, I don't even know. I feel like I genuinely stepped into a Pinterest board.
It looks so good. I'm cheesing like the sweater. Oh my God.
love that. I think it's turned
This is fire.
Wow, it just looks beautiful.
Wow, vibing, honestly. You gotta take Instagram pictures in here. Alrighty, the tour. So you can see here is the grand tour. I will just give you a quick little tour of everything we did. Obviously it's not like 100% done, but you know, for the bed you can see we got this beautiful little white tufty bedspread, this super cool quilted blanket. Oh my God, this is like so fire. Hung this thingy on the wall. This wall is super cool because it is just aesthetic plant wall nation. So fun. Wow, it's just so serene. And these little shelves ended up being so fabulous. You can see we put little cool plants on them, the succulents. Obviously, these are all fake plants because Janelle, like me, will kill them. Literally every plant in my house is fake because, yeah. Also, my lips are so chapped. Good God. Okay. Anyways. We got the other cute little woozits and whatsits galore up there. This ended up being so cute. I love the little plant. Again, the mirror for your fancy outfit of the days. You know? This little corner, I think, honestly, is my favorite little section because it has the chair and the fluff and it just like vibes. And you can just, you know, bust out your cowboy hat for any time you want to go, what's that song? Take me back to the old town road, woo. Can you tell I'm starting to lose my mind? I am. Okay. So we are still debating whether we should keep this here or not, but it's kind of fun. I don't really know what it actually is, but it kind of is like a cool little thingamajigger bobber. Of course, if you want some extra storage, these are great. Also, of course, under the bed is always the vibe. The little lamp, the plant, the curtains are so fun. We love this, honestly. And this, again, oh my God, this is such a mood. So delicate, so girl. And the background, ma'am. Look at this. This looks amazing.
Yeah. That looks amazing. I can't wait for the morning. Yeah.
It's so cute.
Okay.
Okay. You know, we got obviously the cute little trinkets. It's fun to display your belts, your makeup over here, some sunnies, of course, old designer bags. Y'all know that's one of my favorite things to leave on display. My lips are like swelling. They're so jacked. I don't even... Hello.
You can see through in your
I don't know what's going on. So this is obviously just like so freaking cute. Again, the dresser, this was all stuff she had. Overall, I would say we did a damn killer job. You like it?
I love it. It's so cute.
Oh.
Courtesy of Amber Scholl.
Stop, princess.
Overall, I would say we McFrickin' nailed it. Fantastic.
Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. That is our little DIY Pinterest bedroom makeover. Again, like I said, we did this all basically from Target and mostly Target, a little bit of Amazon, and did this all in, I was here for what, like 6 hours,
Yeah.
7 hours. Like we literally did the whole thing ourselves and it was a bargain. So no reason that you can't have your dream life Pinterest aesthetic even when you have $5. It's just, you can do it. Anything you want in life, you got it. I'll just sit in this chair for the outro. Wow, this is crazy. You can actually sit here. So, because my lips are about to fall off my face, I'm going to sign off now. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, whatever else you want to do. If you want to see me do anything else, let me know. I love redoing rooms. It is so fun for me. So maybe we'll do her living room too. That could be cool. But I love you guys so very much. Sending a bajillion and one sparkly, fabulous, chapped lip kisses from me to you. XO angels. Mwah. Ow. I gotta get some chapstick. Oh, God. What are we gonna do about this? I don't want to clean it.
No.
I'm gonna leave. Bye! No, I'm kidding. I'll clean it, I'm sorry. Okay. If my lips again. Oh, God. I'm dying.